Hi folks, how's it going? Apologies, I'm a bit late today. Had some technical issues with Facebook, and I still don't think my camera's working, but hopefully you should be able to hear me, which is the main thing. So not seeing me is not a bad thing, I suppose. So if you can hear me, just give me a thumbs up, and we can get cracking on with the draws. So hope you all had a good weekend. I've just been chilling out with down in Dumfries today. My son's football. Holly Simpson saying hi. Hi, Holly. So he won. And me and Denise have just been binge watching a program called Rise and Fall on Channel 4. It's a bit of a reality TV kind of thing, but really good. Definitely worth a watch. Jackie's saying we can hear you. So hi, Jackie. Hi, Holly again. So it is the 26th of March, and it is 18 minutes past 8. And I've had a nightmare setting up the IT this evening, but hey ho, we're here. So up tonight, we have the Nairn holiday home getaway for 8 adults, and it's 3 nights in May, cracking holiday. We really undersold on the ticket, so someone's going to get a fantastic prize, £3.49. Great odds on this one. And then next up after that, we have the robot vacuum cleaner. And we've got the Friday night takeaway, that's sold out. So we've got a few competitions, but before I kick off with that one, just a quick reminder what's on the website. So up next week, we have the £100 scratch cards and the Nespresso pop machine, both cracking prizes, 99p. We've just loaded a Ninja blender and £25 site credit, so we're trying something new for the first time and see what the engagement is. Holly's saying good luck. And finally, the big one, I'm really excited about this one. So we've got a 4-star hotel Christmas break to Krakow. So that is leaving in December. All the details are in the post. Leaving in December for 3 nights, 4-star hotel, 2 people, bed and breakfast. Includes like luggage, carry-on luggage, and luggage in the main hall. Cracking prize, $8.99, or you can get a discount on that if you buy 3 tickets, or you can get a discount if you join the Plum Jums community. I can see Julia Reid saying hello, and Lisa Kirkpatrick even saying shared GIO. Kelly Hinchy is saying Christmas break. Yes. I could do a break right now, I can tell you that. Yeah, so cracking Christmas break there for 2 people, or the cash alternative of £700. Okay, so on to the main event. And apologies you can't see me. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Just let me know, and I'll switch my camera off from now on. Yes, Jackie, the break does sound amazing. It will be amazing. You know, Krakow's a beautiful city, lots of history, brilliant Christmas market. I think a pint's probably about 5p, a glass of wine's probably about 6p, 20 cigarettes, if that's your cup of tea, is probably about 10p, you know, so cracking break. So yeah, Friday night takeaway. If you're familiar with the format, we use Google random number generator. So I'll just put a couple of numbers in here from 1 to 200. So that's like 185, 191, and 109. I will reset that. So good luck to everyone that's entered. And there was 40 tickets for that one. So no, I'll reset it first. 0 to 0. So next Friday, one of us will be bringing you out a takeaway. I think I might be away next Friday, so it might be someone else in the team. So 1 to 40, good luck. Jackie's saying it's not a bad thing, Lee. Thanks, Jackie, for that. So number 8 is tonight's lucky winner. So you'll get a takeaway next Friday. So number 8 is Victoria Bissett. Well done, Victoria Bissett. Victoria won something ages ago, like when we first started a few months ago. So Victoria Bissett, number 8. Congratulations, Victoria. I'm looking forward to seeing what you're going to order. But I get food envy every Friday. And actually, I'm thinking I'm going to go on a diet tomorrow, so it's going to be even tougher doing the Friday night takeaway. So Julia Reid saying, well done. Denise Palmer saying, well done, Victoria. Holly saying, well done. Okay. What we'll do next, we'll do the vacuum thing. Vacuum robot cleaner. Great wee tool. Save you with the housework a little bit. So we had 120 tickets. Just checking. Yeah, we only went up to 116. So 120 tickets. Again, we only sold about half. So that means better odds for you guys. £1.49 a ticket. So we'll reset that. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 0. Right. Good luck to everyone. Fern Millen saying well done. Hi Fern. Welcome to the community. A few new people. That's good. So 1 to 120, and I'll spin it. See if we've got a winner. 26. Oh, back to the first page. 26. We do have a 26. Well done, Kelly Hinchy. I'm sure Kelly was on Kelly Online. Congratulations, Kelly. Kelly is there. That's brilliant. I love it when someone's live when we win. It makes it a bit more fun. So Kelly was number 26. Well done, Kelly Hinchy. 26. Robot cleaner coming your way. Yep, Kelly, it's you. Well done. Holly saying well done. Okay, on to the big one. Waiting to be drawn. And it is Nairn Lochloy Holiday Home. And it's, well, you all know the details. 3 nights, 8 adults from Friday the 19th of May. If you haven't been to Nairn, I would definitely go. The beach is stunning. Lots to do. So we had 99 tickets for this one. I'm just going to double check that yet. 1 to 99. I will reset. Okay. Again, we sold less than half of the tickets actually. So we might need to draw it a couple of times. See what happens. Kelly is saying, no cleaning ever again. Well done, Kelly. Right. 1 to 99. Good luck to everyone. Number 58. Number 58. Oh, we don't have a 58. If you can see that, we had a 57 and a 59. So we go again. 97, right at the top. Oh, we don't have a 97. The actual suspense is killing me. I almost fell off my chair then. Right, 97, no 97. Right, we go again. 98, no 98. Wow, what's that? 3 times. It is tension, Jackie. So 3 times, maybe 4th time lucky. Number 38. Is there a number 38? We do have a number 38. It is Christine Griffin. So congratulations to Christine Griffin. Number 38. So well done to everyone who's won. Jackie saying she can't handle this. I can't handle it, Jackie. My bloody heart rate's all over the place. So well done to Victoria Bissett with the Friday night takeaway, Kelly Hinchy with the robot vacuum, and Christine Griffin with the getaway for 8 adults. Fantastic. And as I said, on the website is our biggest competition to date. You know, you can either take the holiday to Krakow, or you can take the £700, which is slightly less than the value of the holiday, but we've already put the deposit down for the holiday. So you can just look at the pictures. The hotel looks totally stunning. If your Krakow looks stunning, that's the market at daytime, the market at night time. My favourite part of any holiday is what the breakfast is. The breakfast looks amazing. That's why I picked this hotel, even though I'm not going. So £8.99 ticket. You can get a discount if you buy more than 3 tickets, and you can get a discount if you're a plum chum. So go and join the community, and I will speak to you all later. So just before I finish off, Julia Reid saying well done, Christine. Denise is saying well done, Christine, and Leslie Kettles is saying well done, Christine. So sorry everyone, we're late today. and we'll try and be on time next week, pending no technical issues. Okay, Chibi, bye.